SOVT exercises, semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, are exercises where your mouth is partially closed. They create a back pressure of air, which means that your vocal folds, instead of fighting all of the air just that way and out, have a little bit more of a balance either side, so they can vibrate much easier. Here is a list of some SOVT exercises and I'll talk you through them. So, lip bubble. Some people find that harder, so you can also pop your fingers there to help. Tongue trill. Again, some people find this one really hard. If you can't do it, don't worry. Find a different SOVT that works for you. Raspberry. That one can get a bit messy. Hums. So either an or an NG. Voiced fricatives, these are things like z or v. Puffy cheeks or pufferfish, or with a thumb. And then straw phonation, so using a drinking straw or a fancy singing straw or SOVT straw that you can buy, and you can pop that straw in water as well. The diameter of the straw is going to increase or decrease the pressure, so the narrower the straw, the harder it is. And also in water, the depth of the water is going to make a difference too. So if it's going deeper, that's going to increase the pressure and make it harder. So there are your SOVT exercises. This poster is for free, by the way. You can download it from my website, www.tessasmith.com. You can just go on there and download it for yourself if you want to stick it on your wall.